If anybody asks me, what is titration? I would probably say, it's the thing where we change the color by adding drops and measure the burette reading. But really? Is this what scientists discovered after spending years developing analytical chemistry? Obviously, it's more than that. So what actually is titration? Titration is an analytical technique used to measure the quantity of an unknown substance using a reagent of known concentration. In scientific terms, a titration consists of three main parts: titrant, titrand, and indicator. Let's understand them one by one. First, titrant. The titrant is a solution of known concentration. We fully trust this solution. It is placed in the burette of the titration setup. Second, titrand. The titrand is the solution whose concentration we want to determine. This is our unknown solution. It is placed in the conical flask or beaker. Now, here comes the real chemistry happening in the background. Titration is supported by a chemical reaction. A reaction occurs between the titrant and the titrand, drop by drop. But to calculate the result of the experiment, we must know exactly when the reaction is complete. So the question is, how do we know the reaction has finished? For this purpose, we add an indicator to the titrand. The indicator does not take part in the reaction. It simply watches the reaction very carefully, and at the perfect moment, it shows a color change or sometimes precipitation. This moment is called the end point of the titration. But here comes a small twist. There is also something called the equivalence point, and the end point and the equivalence point are not the same. We will talk about that in the upcoming videos.